completely different level of skill between these ancient builders.
Some very interesting things have been found.
Somehow took these building materials 20 feet across the house into the place where they built these amazing megaliths. Here we have the remnants of the walls built, or attempts to continue the structure of the Predatian era. Here you can see the craftsmanship is not nearly as refined. There's just nothing there. You can tell they had no idea what they were doing compared to these amazing Predatian engineers. The perfect symmetry, 360 degrees, the number 432.